Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Beginner's Guide to Python Code Examples, Copy and Paste Techniques. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, and one of its strengths lies in its readability and ease of use. Learning to work with Python code examples can significantly enhance your programming skills. In this tutorial, we'll explore effective ways to copy and paste Python code examples, along with explanations and demonstrations. Selecting code. When copying Python code, start by selecting the entire block of code you want to copy. Ensure you capture all relevant lines, including any indentation. This is crucial for maintaining the code structure and preventing errors. Copying code. Once the code is selected, use the appropriate method to copy it. This can be done using keyboard shortcuts or right-clicking and selecting the copy option. Pasting code. Open your preferred code editor or IDE, create a new file or open an existing one, and paste the copied code. Again, use keyboard shortcuts or the right-click menu to paste. Adjusting indentation. Python relies on proper indentation to define code blocks. After pasting, ensure the indentation is correct. Most modern code editors automatically adjust the indentation, but it's essential to double-check, especially if you're using a basic text editor. Understanding code. Before running the pasted code, take the time to understand its purpose and functionality. Read comments and documentation, if available. This step is crucial for troubleshooting and modifying code to suit your specific needs. Running code. Execute the code to see the results. This step is essential for verifying that the code works as expected in your environment. Making modifications. Once you understand the code, feel free to make modifications and experiment with different parameters. This hands-on approach is instrumental in deepening your understanding of Python. Saving and sharing. If you've created a new file or made changes, save your work. Additionally, share your modified code with others to foster collaboration and receive feedback. Conclusion. Learning how to effectively copy and paste Python code examples is a fundamental skill for any programmer. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly integrate code snippets into your projects, understand their functionality, and make necessary modifications to suit your needs. Happy coding! ChatGPT.